Now we are going to take part 2 of Unit 2, Lesson 1, Wonderful World 6. Open your books on page 18 and follow with me.
But who was she? Rebecca asked in amazement. That's the interesting part, said the curator. I was on my way to your newspaper's offices on Monday to complain about your use of photos of museum exhibits. But you were leaving the building just as I arrived. I was very surprised when I saw your face. I rushed back to the museum and did more research. It turns out that Eliza was your ancestor. Rebecca was speechless. She realized how lucky she was that, unlike Eliza, her dreams had come true. She had always wanted to be a journalist and she had become one. She couldn't wait to find out more. She was thinking about the story she could write about Eliza when suddenly the curator spoke again. Now, I'm sure you have lots of questions, but about those photos, she said with a smile on her face.
Rebecca went as white as a sheet. She was surprised. She asked in amazement, who was she? She asked about the girl in the portrait. Mrs. Watts, the curator, said to her that she was in her way to the newspaper office to complain about Rebecca's use of the newspaper photos when she saw Rebecca. So she hurried back to the museum and did more research and found that Eliza was ancestor of Rebecca. She was her relative who lived long time ago. Rebecca was speechless. She was unable to speak. She was lucky as she achieved her dream to be a journalist, while Eliza can't reach her dream. She decided now to find out or to know more information about Eliza. Mrs. Watts told her that she is sure now that she has a lot of questions about her relative. Now highlight the new words. Here are some questions on the text.